Welcome everybody to my channel. Today I am teaching you the sweater nail technique step by step guide. First, you will need a matte nail polish, a thin detail brush. You can also use a dotting tool and top coat. Once your are ready, you can follow the 5-step outline below. Number one step is prep your nails by cleaning and filling them for the next step. Number two step, apply your base color of choice. Matte polishes are preferred to really get the knitted effect. Don't have matte polish? No problem. One TikToker found on an easy hacker to get the same look using clear acrylic and gel polish. You will want to apply 2 coats and allow for plenty of drying time in between layers. Step number 3, using the nail art brush, draw 2 parallel lines starting at your cuticle and extending toward the tip of your nails. This technique will create 3 columns with the center being the large section. Step number 4. Now the fun part begins. Using the same brush, it's time to create stitches. Paint short diagonal lines across the nail and leave room for shorter curvier lines in the center. Step number 5. Once you are satisfied with your sweater print, apply top coat to set it in place. For a more 3D look, you can dip your nails into acrylic powder and brush away the excess product. Don't be discouraged if it takes some practice to get the print just right, especially if want to dive into other styles like hearts and zigzags, and if you are looking for some other designs references to try yourself or show your nail tech, we have got to covered. The design, we find these some designs for sweater nails. Number one is accent nail. Pick a nail and dress it up in a sweater pattern, then try complementary design on the other finger. Number 2 design is French tips. If you are a sucker for a French tip, combine the 2 designs for a doubly chic style. Style number 3, color blocking. One shade is great, but adding 2 more, a colorful masterpiece. Thank you very much for watching this video.